Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple software and debris causes. First, make sure your iPhone or Mac and the AirPods have the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can cause static. While charging both earbuds and the case above 50%, visually inspect and carefully remove lint from the meshes using a soft brush. Never poke. Then toggle Bluetooth off and on your source device to clear a transient radio glitch. Once done, test audio at moderate volume to see if static persists. You now dig deeper. Forget the AirPods in your device Bluetooth settings and perform a full reset by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears corrupt pair settings. Once reset, reconnect and run isolation tests. Play audio from a second phone or laptop and compare with wired headphones to determine whether the problem is the source or the AirPods themselves. Make sure to temporarily disable active noise cancellation or move away from strong Wi-Fi and microwave interference to check for RF noise. Finish by confirming power delivery and hardware health. Clean the case and AirPod charging contacts, then fully recharge and retest. Inconsistent charging sometimes creates audio artifacts. If static still occurs after resets, isolation tests, and cleaning, escalate to Apple support or an authorized repair center for component diagnosis or replacement. Hardware faults like driver damage produce persistent static. One quick troubleshooting tip to try before service: enable airplane mode while leaving Bluetooth active to rule out cellular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.